In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain email with Hostinger. Now, whether you're setting up your website for the first time or managing an existing one, verifying your domain email is a crucial step that ensures your domain is fully active and compliant with registrar policies. So let's dive in and make sure your domain email is verified properly. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. Once there, enter your credentials in the login fields and access your dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for all domain and hosting activities, and today we're focusing on verifying your domain email. Once logged in, locate the domain section within your dashboard. It's usually prominently displayed in the main menu, making it easy to find. Click on the domain section, and you'll see a list of all the domains that are currently associated with your account. Scroll through the list if necessary to find the domain you're looking to verify. After finding your domain, click the Manage option next to it. This will open up the domain settings page. Here you can oversee all sorts of configurations, but our focus today is on the verification status of your domain. Look out for a section labeled Verification Status or a similar heading. Within this section, there should be an option to verify email. If you see this link or button, click on it. This step is essential as it tells Hostinger that you, as the domain owner, approve of the email address connected to your domain. The next part involves checking your domain's registered contact email inbox. This is the email address you've associated with your domain, so it's important to keep it up to date and accessible. Open your email client and look for an email from Hostinger. To make it easier, the sender's email should end in @hostingerdomains.com, which indicates it's from the official domain registrar. Inside this email, you will find a verification link. Click on this link to verify your email address officially. It's a straightforward process, but remember, if you don't see the email right away, be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder. Emails sometimes mistakenly end up there, and we wouldn't want you to miss it. Also, note that once you click the verification link, allow up to 15 minutes for the verification status to update in your Hostinger account. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your domain email with Hostinger. By following these steps, you ensure your domain remains active and in good standing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful.